I do a mantra called Aditya Hridayam Punyam Sav Shatru Bina Shanam. Aditya Hridayam Punyam Sav Shatru Bina Shanam. All evil vanishes from life for him who keeps the sun in his heart. And I think of the sun warms. It doesn't say, I'll warm you because you're good. I won't warm the bad guys. It doesn't say, I'll only warm you if you'll pay me. It is light. It is consciousness. It is warmth. Surya Atman Jagtasta Suscha. Surya, the sun, is the Atman, is the God of the physical universe. It is light, it is consciousness, it is energy. Be like the sun. Just go around warming things. So you will say, well, I can't warm him, man. He thinks he's like the fuzz, or he thinks he's object, or he thinks he's a bad guy. That's his head. That's his desire. You create your universe. My teacher writes on his slate, if you wear shoe leather, the whole earth is covered with leather. Right? And he says, if you think on God, the whole world is God. If somebody, quote, brings you down, quote, brings you down, that brings me down, understand that that is your head. You are creating your universe. You've got to come back there all the time. You want to help somebody? Help yourself. That's a scary one. I mean, don't we help people? You don't help people if you think you're helping them. How do you like that one? That's what the non-giving and receiving of gifts is about. Because as long as you think you're giving me something, forget it. Because neither of us can afford it. Because all it's doing is creating a subject-object relationship between us. That's why America gives away all this stuff and everybody hates her. She's saying, look what I'm giving you. See? If the mentality of America was, look, God gave us all this wheat. We got more than we need. You need it. It's our mouth. Biafra is our mouth, and this is our wheat. Here, have it. You use it now. Then there's no giving and there's no receiving. Then it's all cool. See? It's all cool. Because anything, just like lying and stealing, these are all the same things. They all create subject-object. By passion for the pairs of opposites, by those twain snares of like and dislike prince, all creatures live bewildered, save some few, who quit of sins, holy in act, informed, freed from opposites, and fixed in faith, cleave unto me, says Krishna in the Gita. You've got to finish with opposites. You've got to get finished with opposites. We and them is a state of mind. If you don't like living in that state, change your mind. Somebody else says, but there are we and them. That's his mind. You live in your mind. Because I'll tell you another secret. The most ferocious sheriff's deputy in the southern small town, the fiercest North Vietnamese, the toughest guy in the FBI, the hardest meth head, all want to be God. And they all want to be the sun, and they all want to be love, and they all want to be warm.